Babe, look at this puppy show. Oh, a ninja. Ninja brands.
First time seeing snow.
Look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at this right here. Look at this. Make a snowball. Use your hand and take up the snow. Use your hand and take up the snow, not the gloves.
Look at that fucker. First time seeing snow, guys.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. So I'm starting off this video of us leaving the facility that we did our last drop off in Rochester, New York. And as the title suggests, we went through a snowstorm right here. And it continued until we got to our pickup destination, which was Lindonville, New York. It was pretty much right on the border of Canada. And it was like a small little town, like pretty much out of civilization. So you guys will just be seeing a few clips of the scenery in the village.
I look a mess. I need to shower and all that. But after we dropped off the Pennsylvania and Rochester, New York load, we grabbed another load at Lindonville, New York, and we're heading back to Florida. We're going to Haines City, Florida, and right now we are in West Virginia, going down. Yeah, we stopped for something to eat this morning, and then we're gonna stop again later on because we have 14 hours and 32 minutes to go. We're gonna stop again later on to get a shower and probably get some dinner. But now we're at the way station, and they said we had a flat tire, which isn't really flat, it just needed a little bit of air. So my husband is doing that right now. That's one of the perks of having your man on the road with you. Hey guys, we're in West Virginia, and we came to the way station, and they said we got a flat tire. It's not really flat, but the air is not where it's supposed to be. Cold as shit.
put it on it. Now put it on it. Yeah, man, me I hear, man. But me don't hear none of them through the phone. Trailer, red one. Yeah, man.
This looks so real. It's not wet or anything, guys. Delicious. Bye. This looks nice. Hmm?